Hi, I'm Harsha.
I'm Gayani.
This is our third video. In this video, also we targeted dictation and vocabulary. In Ielts listening test,
They play a recording, most probably a conversation about some sort of a topic.
yeah, every Ielts test, there's a university and lectures, students, that kind of person you will meet. Anyway, in those conversations, you have to grab the answers. So you have to improve your ability to listen conversation and grab the words from them. These videos are created to improve your ability. So we give words and Gaini over here, she going to write those words as you can do that. So when I say the words and we discuss the conversations over there, you grab the words and you have to write it down. Then click the link below the video and go to the site, then you can check the answers. Okay, shall we start it?
Sure, we'll start.
Okay, then today, first word, deadline.
Dead lion.
Right, deadline, first word. We always have to work according to deadline. Second one, give a talk.
Give a talk.
Hmm.
It's a speech, isn't it?
Yeah, third one, speech.
Okay. Speech.
Fourth one, computer laboratory.
Computer
Laboratory.
laboratory. Okay.
Fifth one, certificate.
Certificate.
Sixth one, diploma.
Diploma. Done.
Seventh one, placement test.
Placement test. Okay.
Eighth one, overseas students.
Overseas student.
Ninth one, full time.
Full time.
10th one, facilities.
Facilities.
11th one, college.
College.
12th one, dining room.
Dining room.
13th one, specialist.
Specialist.
14th one, knowledge.
Knowledge.
In Ielts listening test, you should improve your ability to write quickly, and while writing, you have to listen the conversation.
Okay.
Okay. Then 15th one, international.
International.
16th one, accommodation.
Accommodation. Do you think that I'm writing too slowly?
No. The speed is good. 17th, homestay.
Homestay.
18th, primary.
Primary.
19th, secondary.
Secondary.
20th, intermediate.
Intermediate.
21st, you need time? No. 21st, media room.
Media room.
Media room. 22nd, resources room.
Resources room.
23rd, staff.
Staff. Not the staff room.
No, just staff. 24th, commencement.
Commencement.
Do you know what is commencement mean?
What is it?
Yeah, actually, it's beginning of something. It's mean when you complete a factory or something.
Building up.
Then when you start in the work, the first time when you start the work, we call commencement. That's the day of commencement. Then also welcome speech we can say, no?
Yes.
It's the commencement. 25th, dissertation.
Dissertation.
Yeah, for degree or diploma, if you have to write long essays for particular subject, we call it dissertation. Sometimes those things become disasters. Right, 26. Leaflet.
Leaflet. Done.
27. Faculty.
Faculty of engineering.
It can be. 28. Pupils.
Pupils. Okay.
29. Pencil.
Pencil. Okay.
30th. Feedback.
Feedback.
31st. Task.
Task. Okay.
32nd. Outcomes.
Outcomes. Okay.
33rd. Advanced.
Advanced.
34th. Introductory.
Introductory. Done.
35th. Extra background.
Extra
Background.
background. Okay.
36. Higher education.
Higher education. Done.
37th. Guidelines.
Guidelines.
38th. Post secondary.
Post secondary.
39. Supervisor.
Supervisor.
14th. Bachelor's degree. I have a bachelor degree. You have a bachelor degree. Instead, you have a master degree. Okay. So 41st. Compound.
Compound.
42. Vocabulary. That's the topic of the video, vocabulary.
Vocabulary.
43rd. Student support service.
Student support
Service.
service. Triple S.
Yeah. 44th. Student retention.
Retention. Done.
45th. Publication.
Publication. That is also done.
46. Foreign students.
Foreign student.
47. Schedule.
Schedule. Done.
48. School reunion.
School reunion.
49. Registrar's office.
Register.
Yeah, in university you have to go to that office most frequently. 50. Stationery.
Stationery. Done.
Yeah, that's all 50 words for today. And after you write in with that, you have to go to the website and check your answers.
So I also have to go to the website now.
Yeah, you have to go to the website and check your answers. So we will meet you in next video. Right, goodbye.
Bye.